Welcome back, everybody. Aaron and I are in the Blackstone van, and we're heading to Carmi, Illinois, here in southern Illinois, meeting up with our new friend, Andrew.
Let's give it a try.
We got up for a few hours tonight, saw a few bucks, few does, nothing you can shoot, nothing close, and we're back here at the cabin. 28-inch Adventure Ready Griddle, and this is actually a brand new one. Just seasoned it up tonight, so this will be the first cook ever. Andrew was telling me that he's never had a smash burger, or at least never made one, and so we decided let's just make a basic, fun smash burger with Texas toast. 70-30 ground beef here, and we're gonna roll up some meatballs, so like quarter pound-ish. We're not weighing anything, so something in that neck of the woods. You get the old school people that say thick burgers, pub burgers, the only way to go. Smash burgers are a waste of time, and you got the new smash burger people that always say pub burgers are terrible. I like them both. So the cool thing about a smash burger is you smash them. It spreads it out, a lot of real estate, nice and crispy on the outside, but moist on the inside, and they're super quick. Just got some basic yellow onions here. We're gonna dice these up and get a bunch of onions sauteed on the side. I'm in tears. It's not completely seasoned until you've cooked on it a few times. I'm not gonna do whole strips of bacon. I'm just gonna do some sliced bacon. And we're gonna mix this up with the onions, and just this will help with the seasoning, and it'll be an optional topping for our smash burgers as well. So some thick slices of thick sliced bacon with the sauteed onions. So we have the 28-inch Adventure Ready Griddle here. You know, heating I don't really like to recommend where you put your dials, because you could have a 1-burner, a 2-burner, a 3-burner, or a 4-burner griddle. We happen to have a 2-burner here tonight, so we're gonna throw that bacon down there. Start to hear it sizzle. Just crank the heat up. We'll get that cooking a little bit, then we'll throw the onions in later on. All right, so bacon's looking pretty good. It's like, I don't know, you know, 80, 90% done. Meatballs, and I forgot to bring my parchment paper with me today, but we have some wax paper, and we're gonna give it a try. We'll see what happens here. You either want to have a lot of oil or some kind of parchment or wax paper on top, so just it helps so they don't stick to the press. And there we go. I think we did the job. We're always doing the same buns, but it's kind of neat. You can use Texas toast to do a toaster burger. And of course, toasting bread on the Blackstone, very simple to do. Check it, and look at there, instant toast. It is really hard to ruin bread on the griddle, so just make sure you're paying attention. See if we're ready to flip. Not bad. Let's plate these bad boys up. There we go. Gonna go down with a little bit of mayo on the bottom, and of course you could make these any way you want to. This is how we're doing it here today. A little bit of shredded lettuce down there, something like that. A patty with pepper jack, patty with the cheddar on top of that, stack them up. And don't forget the ketchup. Come on!
Take a look at this.
Shall we give it a try? And shall we?
It's pretty awesome.
Okay, so you can make these any way you want to. I'm thinking, as I bit into this, I'm thinking barbecue sauce, if I was doing it at home, but, make it your own. We've done these with sausage patties. We've done them with chorizo last year, but, I'll call it like a Texas toaster smash burger, something like that. So easy to make, and so a good way to get things started here at Deer Camp. We are driving through the middle of nowhere in Kentucky, and check this out. Wow. That's sort of like where I grew up in Pennsylvania, but this is a little more extreme. Wow.